Welcome back to ClearTask. If you're trying to generate AI voiceovers in ElevenLabs and keep getting the unusual activity detected error, you're not alone. This happens when their system flags your IP address, usually from a VPN or shared Wi-Fi. Today, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. First, let's clear your browser's site data. If you're on Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then click on Third-Party Cookies. Select See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs and click the trash icon next to the results to delete those specific cookies. Open a new tab, log back into ElevenLabs, and see if the error is gone. If the error is still popping up, your specific IP address has been locked. ElevenLabs is very strict about free tier usage per IP. To fix this, simply disconnect your computer from your current Wi-Fi network. Turn on your mobile phone's hotspot and connect your computer to that instead. Also, be sure to disable any active VPNs or proxies, as these trigger their abuse detectors instantly. Refresh your page and you should now be able to generate your audio. Connecting to a mobile hotspot gives you a fresh, unflagged IP, which completely bypasses the error. If this quick fix helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. See you in the next one.